How to log in to Banco Canarias de Venezuela Bank. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Visnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can log in to Banco Canarias de Venezuela Bank. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to log in to the Banco Canarias de Venezuela Bank, simply head over to your browser and search in for Banco Canarias de Venezuela. Once you do so, you can see the very first link that says Banco de Venezuela. You can tap on it. Now here it's on Spanish, so I'll just translate it. But here you can see the very first link here, online banking. You want to tap on it, and once you tap on it, you want to choose whether you have the account for company or the particular person. Then you can tap on people here if it's your individual account. Then you'll get the login page right here. It'll ask you to enter in your details. All you have to do is first enter in your username or URL as it says, then tap on enter. Then go ahead and enter in other necessary details. Similarly, if you want to register the account, down below you can see it says CRS Nuevo Cliente VTV Registrado Aquí. So you can tap on this option here down below and you'll be headed to the registration page. So this is how you can log in or register account for Banco Canarias de Venezuela Bank. Hope this helps you to like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.